Hi traders, welcome to the F Trader. I'm Kay and I'm going to run through another market brief with you. But if you like this channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So we were discussing gold and Bitcoin, US dollar, cable and euro. I'm going to cover the S&P 500 today as well. Just looking at gold, we've had that bull run. We've taken a long position and we're still long and holding that position. We've had a little bit of consolidation, gave a little bit of a test here, and I'm hoping that we're going to get another run up to the higher end, maybe testing the 1825. But as mentioned, we are still holding our gold position, our long position, and waiting for that breakout. There's been not much movement. We had a little bit of a sell-off down here, and it tested just below the 1800, but it got bought back up quite quickly. But that's about it. I'm hoping that this wasn't a trend reversal, and with regards to a 4-hour chart, this bull run continues. I'm pretty sure this is a little bull flag, and we're going to hopefully go up further. It is losing a bit of steam actually, gold. So we may take a 50% of our position out and manage it in that way as well, depending on what it does in the next couple of sessions. Quickly on the cable, we are still holding our cable position. We haven't taken 50% off the table, and we did another high today, and we broke the 141. I do believe we are going to be testing the 145, 150, and I'm happy holding this position, and I'm going to tighten our stop and just play it in that way. At some point it will come down and test this 10-day EMA, but currently we've got good bull run. It's going up, and I'm riding that wave. It's been doing this bull run for quite a while actually. Actually, if I go on here we go. So we had a bit of a correction here, and since about September, this bull run, I mean, we've had these little mini corrections, but as a long term, it's been a great bull run, and it just looks like it's gaining more steam. So this is nice. I'm liking this trade, and I'm holding on to it. Yesterday I mentioned with the Euro USD, let me just go on to a daily, excuse me. I said we broke out here. So if we get to this position and the buying continues, we'll take a long position. We opened up here, it's got sold into, and I've just taken a long position here, leaving our stop loss around here, just below here. And I'm hoping that this will maybe come test or just go below the 40 EMA, and then we'll continue this bull run higher. If not, we'll just get stopped out, and that's fine. But despite that, I'm happy to take a long position and hold it, because we are starting to form a little base here, and we're hoping to go higher. I do like to see the 123 with the Euro USD. To the US dollar index. Let me just go onto a daily chart. As you can see, we had 3 days of selling, and today we opened up lower, and it quickly came up, and it looks like it's trying to gain some strength. It could get sold into in the next couple of sessions, and hopefully we'll give this support sign a test. It will be great if this breaks down for our Euro USD position and our cable position. Plus, gold will obviously rally if the dollar weakens. With regards to the cable, actually, even though the dollar is strengthening, the cable, it hasn't been affected that much because the bulls have just really been supporting the cable and pushing it higher. So I'm not too worried about our cable position. So yeah, that's with the USD. And let me just go on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been interesting. It started to break down. Hopefully it's now forming that kind of a pattern I was looking for, and I'm getting a breakdown. I'm not sure, buyers may come in and push this up again, and this could be a short-lived bear run, but I'm hoping that it will continue and we start testing the 30,000. This is the region I would start looking to take a long position. But the panic selling is kind of looking like, with these long swings, we're kind of seeing panic selling kick in. If we break this region, I really think some people are going to start either taking some money off the table, and all the, the stops are going to get triggered. It's going to really get pushed, and if the momentum is high, I probably wouldn't even take a long position here and wait for it to really go down. It doesn't matter if it starts going up again. I may even take a position at 35, but then I need to see the bulls coming back into the market before we take a long position. But this selling looks like it's just the start of things, and we've got some way to go. So that's my opinion on Bitcoin, and that's what I'm going to hold up and wait for. On to the SP 500. So the stock market's just been constantly in a bull run. If I go into a daily chart, you can see this bull run it's had literally since March. So it's just been going higher. So we had this with the pandemic. There was a massive sell-off, then the buyers came in. Typical bull flags. And now a lot of people are saying this is another bull flag. In my opinion, with what's been going on and the the inflation worries, I kind of feel this is the start of a run for lower prices, and people actually maybe start panicking because price to value of shares is really just not in proportion at the moment, and this could be a start of a bearish pattern, and we should start getting a sell-off. If we do, we'll look into at some point maybe taking a long position on the SP 500, but with the current price of stocks, I just don't see that happening. But and there's been a lot going on in the stock market, so I mean this could very easily be another bull flag, but I feel it's more than that with the price action I've been seeing in the markets, plus the worries of inflation. But we'll just keep an eye on that, and I'll let you guys know if I take a position in the SP 500 or the Bitcoin. Thanks a lot, and I'll do another video for you guys on tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Thank you.